Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the rental vehicle management template available for purchase on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you track income and expenses, monitor performance, and stay in full control of your rental business. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify plans for profits and expenses. Next, it shows how to specify data for the main categories and fill in data for vehicles. The next step shows how to fill in your income information. Here's a guide on how to enter expense information in this table. Next, it shows how to analyze monthly income and expense data. The sixth step shows how to analyze annual data. It helps you spot trends, evaluate overall performance, and make smarter decisions for future growth. The next step shows how to analyze data for 5 years. Next, it shows how to analyze information about a specific vehicle, helping you track its profitability, expenses, and overall performance. Here's how to analyze data for a selected period, helping you monitor performance, track trends, and make timely adjustments. The next step shows how to analyze annual tax data. Here's how to enter booking details in the calendar. The final step shows how to calculate return on investment for vehicles, helping you evaluate investment efficiency, measure profitability, and make informed purchasing decisions. Go to the settings sheet. Select the year and base currency to begin entering data. Next, move on to the profit plan. The years and months are generated automatically based on the year selected above. Enter the monthly profit figures for 2026. The summary data is calculated automatically. You can also specify planned indicators for other years. The table should indicate the planned expenditure indicators. If you prefer not to enter planned data, you can simply leave these tables blank. Moving on to the business operations section. In the rental channel table, you need to specify the sources from which customers come to rent vehicles. For example, this may include your website, social media, online marketplaces, partner agencies, or walk-in clients. In the vehicle section table, enter the data on vehicles. Enter the vehicle number. Specify the vehicle. Enter the vehicle identification number. Enter the year. Select the insurance term. Dates expiring soon are marked red. The data in the status column is displayed automatically. This column shows which cars are currently booked and which are available for booking. The data is pulled from the income tracker and booking calendar sheets. Let's enter more data. Go to the expense section table. In this table, you need to specify the list of expenses. Examples include gas, service fees, insurance, cleaning, oil changes, tolls, inspections, and unexpected repair costs. The data in the currency table is automatically updated according to exchange rates. Go to the income tracker sheet. In this table, you need to enter your income information. Select the dates of reservation. Select the vehicle number. The drop-down list is generated based on the information specified in the settings sheet. The information on the vehicle is pulled up automatically. Select the rental channel. Enter the price. Select the currency. Enter the quantity hour or day. Indicate if hours or days were entered. The revenue amount is calculated automatically. Enter the sale tax. The net income is calculated automatically, and the currency is automatically entered. Let's specify more data. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Go to the Expense Tracker sheet. In this table, enter information about expenses. Specify the date. Select the vehicle number. Vehicle is pulled automatically. Select the category. Enter the total expense. Enter the tax. Select the currency. Net expense is calculated automatically. The base currency is selected automatically. Let's specify more data. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. Go to the monthly overview sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The data on this sheet updates automatically. Simply select the desired year and month. In the dashboard view block, you can select the criteria by which you want to view the analysis, vehicle or rental channel. The upper block shows general data on income, expenses, and profit. The monthly profit target chart shows planned versus actual profits per month, helping you track performance and stay on target. The most rent days chart shows the number of rental days for each vehicle, helping you identify your most popular vehicles and optimize utilization. The top 10 expenses distribution chart shows the top expenses. The top 10 performers chart shows the top vehicles by rental income. The top 10 expenses chart shows the highest expense amounts. The profit goal block shows how much profit is within the plan, helping you monitor progress, stay on track, and make informed decisions to reach your targets. The expense budget target block shows how much the expenses are within the plan. Detailed information on income and expenses can be analyzed in the tables below. Go to the annual overview sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to select the year. In the dashboard view block, you can select the criteria by which you want to view the analysis, vehicle or rental channel. The base currency is automatically updated. This block shows the summary data on income, expenses, and profit for the selected year. The yearly profit target chart shows planned versus actual profit for the year, helping you evaluate overall performance, track growth, and make strategic business decisions. The annual income and expenses chart shows the annual income and expenses for each vehicle. In the top performing vehicles section, you can analyze the most profitable car, helping you identify high performing vehicles and make smarter fleet decisions. In the top performing channel block, you can analyze the most popular customer channel, helping you focus on the best sources and optimize marketing efforts. The most rent days chart shows the structure of rental days by vehicle. The top 10 expenses distribution chart shows the top expenses. The top 10 performers chart shows the top vehicles by rental income, helping you identify your best earners and make data-driven fleet decisions. The top 10 expenses chart shows the largest expenses, helping you spot cost drivers and find opportunities to reduce spending. The profit goal block displays the portion of profit achieved according to the plan, helping you track progress and make informed decisions to reach your goals. The expense budget target block shows how actual expenses compare to the planned budget. Detailed information on income and expenses can be analyzed in the tables below. Go to the 5-year forecast sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. You only need to specify the years to be included in the analysis. In the dashboard view block, you can select the criteria by which you want to view the analysis, vehicle or rental channel. This block shows the summary data on income, expenses, and profit for the entered years. The profit growth target chart shows profit growth over time, helping you track trends and performance. The base currency is automatically updated. The top 10 net income summary chart shows income data for the top vehicles for the selected years. The financial summary chart shows income, expenses, and profit by years. The top performance block shows the top booking source and top vehicle by rental revenue. The actual and gold chart shows actual and planned profit data. The chart shows the percentage of profit targets achieved. The top 10 stay distribution days chart shows the number of rental days per vehicle. The chart below shows the top vehicles by revenue. The top 10 expenses chart shows the structure of expenses. The chart below shows the amounts of expenses by top categories. The profit goal block displays the portion of profit achieved according to the plan, helping you track progress and make informed decisions to reach your goals. The expense budget target block shows how actual expenses compare to the planned budget. Detailed information on income and expenses can be analyzed in the tables below. Go to the vehicle overview sheet. On this sheet, select the period you want to analyze and select the vehicle. The data on the sheet is updated automatically. The base currency is automatically updated. This block shows the summary data on income, expenses, and profit for the selected vehicle. The rental days chart shows the number of days rented. The top performing sales channel block displays information about the top rental channel. The top expense block shows the top expenses for the selected vehicle. This block shows in which month the vehicle had the most income. Top sellers charts show revenue by rental channel. The chart shows the amount of expenses for the top categories. The monthly performance chart shows income by month, helping you track revenue trends and identify strong or weak periods. The chart shows the top rental channel. The chart shows the amounts of expenses. The monthly expense breakdown chart shows expenses by month, helping you monitor spending patterns and control costs effectively. Detailed information on income and expenses can be analyzed in the tables. Go to the comparison dashboard sheet. On this sheet, you need to specify the periods for analysis, and the data will be updated automatically. In the dashboard view block, you can select the criteria by which you want to view the analysis, vehicle or rental channel. The base currency is automatically updated. This block shows the summary data on income, expenses, and profit for the selected periods. The financial summary chart shows income, expenses, and a net income for selected periods. The top performing channel block shows the top source of customers. The top performing property block shows the top vehicle and revenue. The top 10 stay distribution chart shows revenues for the top vehicles. The chart shows the top expenses. The stay distribution chart shows the revenue structure by vehicle type. The expenses chart shows the structure of expenses by category. Detailed information can be analyzed in these tables. This analysis allows you to select custom periods for comparison, quickly identify trends and top performers, and make smarter decisions to increase profit and control expenses. Go to the annual reporting sheet. The data on this sheet updates automatically, allowing you to analyze taxes by month and year. Years are based on the data from the settings sheet, and tax information comes from the income tracker and expense tracker sheets. This helps ensure accurate reporting, improves financial planning, and gives you better control over your tax obligations. Go to the booking calendar sheet. Select the year and month. The dates in the calendar are updated automatically. In this table, you can provide information about vehicle reservations. Specifies the booking dates. Select the vehicle number. The name of the vehicle is pulled up automatically. The number of days is calculated automatically. Let's enter more data. This block shows the number of vehicles booked and available for booking today. The data in the calendar is filled in automatically. You can also select the calendar to display data for a specific vehicle. The upper block shows the summary data for the selected vehicle for the month. This sheet helps you manage reservations efficiently, track vehicle availability, and avoid scheduling conflicts. Go to the bonus calculator sheet. The Vehicle Return on Investment Calculator helps you determine whether a vehicle is a profitable and financially sustainable investment. Before filling out the table, you need to select the year. Vehicle data is pulled automatically. Specify the vehicle value. The currency is updated automatically. Enter the amount of the contribution. The loan value amount is calculated automatically. Enter the percentage. Specify the loan term in years. The data in these columns is calculated automatically. The table includes your monthly loan payment calculation, total payments over the life of the loan, total interest paid on the loan, net income generated by the vehicle per year, all yearly costs to operate the vehicle, overall return or profitability of the vehicle. Up to 500 vehicles can be entered in this table. And one technical point. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try entering your own data to see how easy it is to track vehicle performance and profitability. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.